Every perfect tomato begins with a seed chosen for strength, sweetness, and balance. Before life rises upward, the roots are given a bed of perfect structure and moisture. Each seed is placed with exact spacing, giving every plant its own clean beginning. Moisture wakes the seed, starting the quiet chemistry of germination. From darkness, the first tender stems reach toward light. Before facing the field, each young plant is trained to grow stronger in moving air and natural light. A healthy crop begins with soil opened, aerated, and made ready to breathe. Raised beds protect the roots, conserve moisture, and keep every row consistent. Each young tomato plant is set into the earth with exact depth and distance. That first drink locks the roots into place and begins the plant's real fight to grow. With water, warmth, and time, the plants build the green machinery that will feed the fruit. Careful pruning directs the plant's energy toward cleaner, stronger fruit. Support keeps the vines lifted, balanced, and ready to carry heavier clusters. Water alone is not enough, so precise minerals are fed directly to the roots. Inside each flower, the future fruit is quietly taking shape. The first fruit sets in clusters, smooth and firm, still carrying the memory of the flower. As the fruit expands, each cell fills with water, structure, and sweetness yet to come. Color rises slowly through the skin as sugars deepen and acidity softens. Before picking starts, sweetness, firmness, and color are checked against exact standards. Now the harvest begins, and every movement must protect the fruit from the first touch. Each ripe tomato is picked by touch, judged by color, weight, and feel. Packed carefully in shallow layers, the tomatoes keep their shape and skin intact. Once picked, speed matters, but gentle handling matters even more. The journey from field to factory is short, controlled, and timed to preserve freshness. Inside the factory, freshness is measured, documented, and protected from the first second. Only fruit that meets the standard moves forward into the line. The first cleaning removes loose field dust before water ever touches the skin. Water cushions the tomatoes, carrying them forward without impact or bruising. A gentle bubble wash loosens the dirt without ever scuffing the delicate surface. Soft brushes clean the skin evenly while keeping the natural bloom and shine intact. A controlled sanitizing rinse lowers microbial risk while preserving the fruit's natural freshness. The last rinse leaves nothing behind but clean skin and natural shine. Powerful air removes the water fast, preparing every tomato for optical inspection. Machine vision checks every curve for size, color, and hidden imperfection. The line reacts in a split second, removing only what does not belong. Human eyes still matter, adding judgment where touch and experience make the difference. The stem end is one of the most sensitive points, so it is checked with special care. Uniform sizing keeps every package balanced, consistent, and visually clean. Each piece is weighed so every box meets the exact pack specification. Even among ripe fruit, color is balanced to create a cleaner, more premium final pack. Single-file handling keeps every tomato protected on its way to the pack line. While the fruit approaches, the packaging is formed to fit it perfectly. Every tomato is positioned to protect its shape and present its best side. Before sealing, every pack is verified for count, balance, and weight. The seal protects freshness while keeping the tomatoes visible in full detail. Every package is coded so its journey can be traced all the way back to the field. Before boxing, the factory confirms that every pack looks exactly as it should. Grouped into shipping cases, the tomatoes are protected for the road ahead. Stable pallet patterns keep the load secure from warehouse floor to retail shelf. A tight outer wrap holds the entire load together without crushing what is inside. Rapid cooling removes field heat and slows the clock on freshness. In cold storage, temperature and timing stay tightly controlled before dispatch. The cold chain must stay unbroken from the factory dock to the market floor. From factory to distribution, freshness rides inside a moving climate-controlled room. Each case is scanned again so the right tomatoes reach the right store on time. At the store, freshness is checked again before the tomatoes ever reach the shelf. Presented under gentle light, the tomatoes are now ready to meet the customer. After all the care behind it, the final choice comes down to one hand reaching out. From the market shelf, the tomatoes arrive exactly where they were always meant to go. One last rinse refreshes the skin and wakes up the tomato's natural aroma. The last small core is removed, leaving only pure flesh ready to slice. The blade opens the fruit, revealing the softness, structure, and juice built through the entire journey. Inside the tomato, sweetness, acidity, and water are held in perfect natural balance. A pinch of salt draws the juices forward and sharpens every note of flavor. Olive oil coats the flesh with warmth, richness, and shine.
Fresh basil adds the final green note that lifts the sweetness of the tomato.
After a long industrial journey, the tomato returns to simplicity on the plate. A touch of pepper adds warmth, contrast, and a final layer of aroma. Now complete, the tomato reveals every step of its journey in color, texture, and shine. From factory precision to the table's quiet warmth, the journey finally slows. At the final moment, all that care is gathered into a single slice. Sweetness, acidity, and freshness meet in the simplest and most honest form. Inside every bite, the tomato holds the full memory of field, factory, and careful hands. What began in soil and steel ends here in a moment of calm, flavor, and satisfaction. From seed to harvest, from factory to table, the perfect tomato completes its journey.